rhododendrons are toxic? For centuries, their secrets were hidden. Now, scientists are uncovering amazing compounds like Principinol B, a molecule with a fascinating story. Principinol B is a complex molecule found in the rhododendron principis plant, native to South and Southeast Tibet. Its intricate structure makes it a prime target for synthetic chemists. Ming and his team at Lanzhou University achieved a monumental feat, synthesizing Principinol B. This wasn't easy. It required cutting-edge techniques and brilliant chemical strategy. The heart of their synthesis was a clever carbonyl-olefin metathesis cyclization. This reaction transformed a linear molecule into a complex ring structure, a true chemical dance. Imagine building a tiny, intricate Lego set. The team started with simpler pieces, like the chiron, carefully adding parts step by step. Each step was precisely controlled. After many transformations, including forming a unique bridging ether, the final structure of Principinol B emerged. It's a testament to synthetic organic chemistry's power and precision. Synthesizing complex natural products like Principinol B helps us understand nature's designs. It also paves the way for potential new medicines and materials, inspiring future discoveries. Fascinated by the chemistry behind nature's wonders? Hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more amazing science stories. What natural product should we explore next?